My name's Ariel, and I'm shooting this video because I started using Tennant Products in order to help me to be a better athlete and to age more gracefully. And so in the athletic area, it's been great because it's helped me to recover from my workouts so much faster than I did before. And then as far as aging, I won't be able to figure that out and actually have evidence for decades into the future. But I want to make sure I have every edge possible to keep my cognitive health when I'm in my 80s and 90s. So that's why I'm doing this, and I trust that it's going to work because I really trust that the Tennant Products take their role seriously in giving us the best quality ingredients and helping us to be as strong as we can possibly be. I trust Dr. Tennant's products because I know the owners, John and Terry Tennant, so well, and they take the utmost care in making sure that they use the very best products. We're in a marketing group together, and we're always talking about the challenges that come up with using only the best products, and they have never wavered from sticking to their guns on using the products that are going to work well for their clients and making sure that they don't ever compromise on that. So the number one benefit that I've noticed from using Restore is that I recover so much faster from my workouts. I work out with a friend, and she'll come back from our workouts and say, "Aren't you sore from doing XYZ?" And I'll say, "No, I'm not. And I actually work out really hard." And so it's pretty amazing that with all the weightlifting I do 3 days a week and running several days a week, my muscles are almost never sore. Well, I knew that Restore was right for me when I stopped taking it because I ran out. And a week or two later, I started thinking, oh gosh, I'm a little sore. And that had been unusual for me. And I thought about what's been different. And I realized I hadn't been taking Restore. So I ordered more of it, and it's been great since then. I do recommend Restore to my friends who are athletes. It's great for athletes because it helps you to recover from your workouts so much faster. For another product, I've been recommending Percepta to friends of mine who are older, especially my parents. I just bought my mom a pack of Percepta and gave it to her and said, try it out and see if you feel good taking it, because we all want to make sure that as we age, we don't have any cognitive decline. And so I've been taking Percepta for 1.5 years now, and probably won't get to see the results of that until I'm in my 70s or 80s. But as I'm looking at my parents who are in their 70s, I want to make sure that they have the best chance of being mentally strong into their 80s and 90s. So that's why I'm recommending it to all of my friends that are either concerned about any kind of cognitive decline because of family history or whatever it might be, as well as to my older friends who are facing that potentially happening any day now.